What's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you don't already know who I am, I'm Jacob Blank. I started my real estate journey at the age of 16, and in the matter of 2 years I was able to build a multi-million-dollar company. On this channel I talk about a bunch of different ways to make money, business, real estate, entrepreneurship, and so much more. And in today's video we're going to be talking about one of the #1 side hustles to do as a teenager, as a young adult, in order to make thousands of dollars every single month. And I was able to use this side hustle in order to build enough capital in order to start my real estate business, so this is sure to help you out. Also, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you go down below, hit the red button, and subscribe to the channel. It helps me reach more people and impact more lives, so I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe. Other than that, let's get right into the video. Alright, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about one of the #1 side hustles in order to make thousands of dollars every month without any experience. Alright, let's get right into it. The side hustle is literally flipping junk, whether that's furniture, tools, games, you name it, literally flipping stuff, anything. But I'm going to show you how to effectively acquire the inventory of stuff to sell and how to efficiently sell it. I used this exact side hustle from the age of 14 to the age of 16 to make thousands of dollars, and I know it works, and I know it works well. You're going to be leveraging the application called OfferUp in order to do this. You can also leverage things like eBay and Craigslist in order to assist as well, but I found great success just using the OfferUp app. So step #1 to do this side hustle would to be acquire inventory at a discounted price. So you got to acquire stuff, whether it's furniture, tools, whatever it is, you got to acquire that inventory at a discount. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high, all the way through. That's what we're going to do with this. So the first thing you're going to want to try to acquire this inventory is to reach out to family, your parents, your grandparents, and see if they have unwanted stuff in their house that they're willing to get rid of. Okay, so for example, reach out to your parents, ask them, you have all these games and stuff from when we were younger. Did you ever want to get rid of this? I'll clean it out for you. If they want a cut of the money, offer them, 25, 30, 40% of the profit for selling it for them. Or maybe your parents or your family will literally give you the stuff for free. So reach out to your parents and collect as much stuff as you possibly can from the house that they want to get rid of. Then reach out to your grandma, your grandparents, right? And see if they have any stuff in their garage, their house that they're willing and wanting to get rid of, and maybe they don't even want a cut of the money. If they do, offer it to them. So now you can start collecting this stuff from them. The second method to collect this inventory is to reach out to friends and family friends. So I'm sure a lot of your friends had a bunch of toys and stuff from when they were growing up, a bunch of video games and whatnot from when they were growing up that they don't use anymore. And I guarantee if you went to your friend and said, hey, if I sell all this stuff and I give you 40% of the profits and you don't have to do anything, I sell it all for you, would you let me sell your stuff on OfferUp? And I guarantee your friend is going to be like, okay, I don't have to do anything. I haven't been using this stuff. I don't want this stuff. If you sell it and do all the work and give me 40%, you got a deal. And family friends, for example, my grandma had a handyman that always helped her fix things in her house, and he did handyman work for a lot of people, and these people would always give him tools and all this random stuff, and this guy literally had a garage full of junk. I reached out to him. I said, you know what? If we can split the profits 50-50, will you let me sell everything in your garage? He said yes, and I started listing all his stuff on OfferUp. Super simple. And the third and final method to collect this inventory would be to look at Craigslist, eBay, OfferUp, and scour the inventory on those different websites and find deals, find discounted deals, right? If somebody's selling a couch for $100 and you think it could sell for $300, buy it for $100, then flip it for $300. Somebody's selling this drill for $20 and you could sell it for $50, buy it for $20, sell it for $50. Super simple. And something key to grab onto right here is if you sell a bunch of stuff from your parents for free, right, and you get all that money, that's your startup capital to then go buy things at a discounted price and flip them. So you'd literally be even. You wouldn't have to invest anything because you got free stuff initially to sell to build up the capital in order to buy inventory to flip. So that is the third method on how to acquire inventory. And this is how you scale the business with no risk, right? No investment. It's by reaching out to a bunch of family and friends and start making these connections. Because if they'll let you use their stuff to list it and give them a cut of the profits, you don't have to buy the stuff for low and sell it high. You don't have to buy anything. All you have to do is list their stuff online and sell it for them and give them a cut of the profit. Super simple. So that's how you scale it. You make as many connections as possible, whether it's with a handyman, whether it's with grandma, grandpa, family friend, 5 friends of yours. You start building all these connections, and before you know it, you have so much stuff to be able to sell. Now let's get into a couple things that are extremely important when selling the stuff online. First off, when you get these items, you're going to want to clean them up, clean them off, make them look the best that they can. And then also, you're going to want to make sure you're taking high quality pictures of these products, of the inventory that you're selling. You want to make sure that the images look good. You also want to put as many images as possible. The more pictures, the better. That way they can see all sides of the product and make sure there's no damage. So the more pictures, the better. Also, when you're listing this stuff on OfferUp, you want to make sure that your title and description isn't too unique. You want to make it kind of broad. So if it's a drill, you're just going to want to put drill with the brand name, but you're not going to want to go into the model, which model it is, because then it won't show up in search results when they're just searching for drill or drill by that brand. If you put the model number and whatnot in the title, it's not going to pull up in search results, and then a lot less people will see your product. So you want to keep the title of your products that you're selling, your inventory that you're selling, pretty broad. That way it shows up in more search results and you get more views on the items. Also, you obviously want to put a good description on the items that you're selling. But now let's hop on the computer and let me actually show you my OfferUp account. That way you can see how many products I had listed and how I was really running and doing this business and scaling it. All right, so now I'm on my OfferUp account, and first off, let's show you all the items I had for sale. So as you can see, I'm just going to keep scrolling down. You can see it's going to keep loading. I have tons and tons of items. Tons of items. All right, so for example, this portable oven, this typewriter got from my grandma, these speakers from my grandma, these pictures from my grandma, these chairs from my grandma, painting from my grandma, tennis rackets from my grandma, right? An old pillow, an old decorative pillow, literally everything, books, portable charger, my old skateboards, my old basketball hoop, my old speakers, my old shoes, literally everything I was selling, and the list just keeps going on, okay? We scroll up to the top. Piano, right? A Lego organizer. I got this Lego organizer from my friend. Tubs of Legos from my friend. Tabletop pool table from my friend. Xbox 360 racing wheel from my friend. Guitar from my friend. And I was splitting the profits with him 50-50. These chairs from my grandma's handyman. Like, very minimal stuff did I buy for low and sell high. I was just acquiring the inventory from connections. And I have all these computer parts, all these tools for sale. And look, some of them have 6,000 views. And I sold all these things. I just didn't mark them all as sold because I was lazy. I should have marked them as sold. But as you can see, when we go to this drill press, I have multiple pictures of it, and look how many messages I've gotten on it. Literally, it would load forever. I got tons of messages. I sold this drill press in 2 days after I got it. And as you can see, I'm still getting tons and tons of messages, and I don't even do this business anymore. It's because I have so many products listed, and I still just keep getting messages over and over again because I have so much inventory. So that's something huge. You want to build up a long list of products, and things will just sell randomly. 1 week you'll make $500. 1 week you'll make $100. 1 week literally you'll wind up selling 30 things and make $1,000. So it's all just so random, and over time you find products that sell much faster. Like the tools, these drill presses and drills and sanders, those would sell really fast. The motherboards, rather than the rest of the computer parts, the motherboards would sell really fast. Some of these pictures would sell really fast. Tennis rackets sold fast. You start to find these items that move really fast, and then you start looking at your connections and reaching out to more connections and more people to try to acquire more of those items. But overall, as you can see, this is how I ran my business. I literally listed everything and I found as much junk and much stuff as I possibly could in order to list and sell it. And I was able to make thousands of dollars doing this side hustle. It is a great side hustle. If you want to get into this side hustle, you can literally start tomorrow. So what's holding you back? You should start. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button. Also, comment down below if you have any questions. I'll be sure to answer them. And also, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you go down below, hit the red button, and subscribe to the channel. It helps me reach more people and impact more lives. So I'd really appreciate it if you go subscribe. Thank you guys. Peace.